I'm here with Alex, and we're just discussing decking, Alex, because we just had a meeting with Chris from a specialist decking company.
Yeah, so we do decking. We do a small decking that we make in the workshop, and it's a given size. But if you were to want different levels or steps or different platforms of decking, which looks superb around the studios, going right round, it's always been difficult for us to do with the logistics of getting to and getting all the materials there. So if you're down in London, but we have found a deck company now, Chris, and he will do anything you want. So he will bring tiers of decking down, different layers, steps. So
Yes.
and he's done a couple of jobs for us now, and it
And
looks
they
amazing.
look fantastic, don't they?
Yeah,
So,
and he knows his stuff. That's the thing.
yeah.
He knows his stuff. He knows how composite reacts, how timber reacts, how timber should be laid. So yeah, he's made himself an expert on decking.
Okay.
It looks good.
So we can pass on his details to anybody that wants some more complicated decking.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. And speak to the salesman about it. He'll
Yep.
step you on your way.
Brilliant. Thank you.